Good morning, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to cook the vegetarian tofu and broccoli. It is very simple. So first of all, you need to get a tofu. I suggest you get the red box as I shown you. Those are it contains four pieces of tofu. You can just cut it out and then fry it, and then you can put it aside. And the broccoli, I prefer to rinse it with hot water, so so it doesn't get so soft. I know many people, they like to boil it, but I do not like that. I usually use a hot water to rinse it a little bit, and then so in that case the broccoli still got the texture. After I rinse the broccoli, I put some garlic. You can stir fry the broccoli, and then if you have a tomato, you can put some tomato. Then after you fry, and you can add your tofu, the one you already fried aside. You can add tofu in there. Okay, after you add those tofu, then you can add a little bit salt and some soy sauce and some Indonesian sweet sauce. Those are very tasty. If you haven't get it yet, you can go to any Asian store. They carry all those Indonesian sweet soy sauce. And another one is black bean sauce from Lao Gan Ma. So you can see in my site all those ingredients. Then you can add some of those, then to mix it with vegetable. If you like carrot, you can always add some carrot in it. Or if you have extra black fungus, which is very good. Black fungus is also can help you to reduce blood pressure. Then all of those you add it. Then if you find your vegetable is too watery, you can always add some cornstarch in it. Always add some sesame oil to make it smell good. And the final one is scallion, so put some scallion. That's it. That's basically done. Okay, so I guess that is it. It's simple and easy. You can give it a try. Okay, I see you next time again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.